Help me choose the right hikaw for me. Unbox na nga natin itong gorgeous earrings from Mikana. First things first, ang ganda na agad ng packaging nila. Perfect talaga kung gift man ito para sa sarili mo o sa someone special. May kasama na itong dedication card, perfect para magsulat ng sweet message o heartfelt note para sa pagbibigyan mo. Meron ding polishing cloth para laging shiny at mukhang brand new ang iyong earrings. Meron ding cute velvet pouch, perfect for storage at travel-friendly pa. At syempre, each pair comes in its own elegant jewelry box. Kaya very premium ang dating, gift ready na agad. Unahin natin itong Ichiyo Butterfly Cuff Earrings. Ang design niya ay elegant butterfly na may sparkling crystals at delicate gold details. Ang ganda ng combination ng butterfly wings at gemstones kaya very feminine at classy ang vibe niya. Perfect ito kung gusto mo ng soft, elegant at medyo fairy core aesthetic. Next naman itong Kaguya Star Earrings. Ito siguro yung pinaka-playful sa tatlo. Ang cute ng cascading stars design na may sparkling stones para kang may mini constellation sa ears mo. Huy! Perfect ito para sa mahilig sa trendy, youthful at eye-catching accessories. Ito yung hikaw na siguradong mapapansin agad. And lastly, itong Kayon Sakura Earrings. Super elegant itong sakura flower design with pearl center detail. Ang delicate at sophisticated tingnan, parang inspired by Japanese cherry blossoms. Perfect ito kung mahilig ka sa timeless, classy at feminine accessories na bagay kahit sa casual o formal outfits. Honestly, ang hirap talagang mamili. Lahat sila may kanya-kanyang charm at personality. So help me choose, Team Ichiyo Butterfly, Kaguya Stars, o Kayon Sakura. Just comment down below kung alin ang favorite nyo. And if you're looking for elegant, gift-worthy, and affordable jewelry pieces, definitely check out Mikana. So don't forget to like, share, and follow for more finds and accessories reviews. Alam nyo na, iwan ko na lang dyan yung link.